This is True Southern Accent, and we are doing Redneck Slip and Slide in Huntsville, Alabama. And they poured Crisco down my bathing suit so I would slide all the way down it. And wait till y'all see what I do. Redneck Slip and Slide, water and baby oil. Oh! Who was that, Ricky? About a 62-year-old.
I know what issue was.
Woo! Who was that? Oh. Redneck Slip and Slide right here. Woo! He's the one that does it best. So they are putting baby oil on their bodies. Woo! That was a good job. Woo! He never gets to the blue one. That's Houston Pope. He will be going into the Army. Now they got a tube going. Let's see how this is going to work out. It's like a 62-year-old. 63, 64, I don't know how old he is. Ricky, how old are you? But he's young at heart. Water, baby oil, and a tarp. Woo! Now they are putting Crisco oil on the slip and slide. This is Redneck, Alabama style right here. Now Zachary's fixing to fall, trying to grease it down. All right, we got two racing here. She just needs to give up. They gotta add some more vegetable oil on it. They're gonna put it on the tube.
Yeah, it is. Alright, Ricky. Put the pot belly right in the hole. You want to see it.
You told him put the pot belly right in the hole. Woo! That's a good one. Uh-oh, he's got the poo cleaner. He's gonna push her down it.
Come on, Mama, let's go. Alright, grab that. I gotta stay in the grass though, so I gotta stay on this side. Ready? Feet up. We all got it on our hand. Hold on. Alright. Alright. Get it stuck all the way across. You move one end up. Oh, yeah? Extend it. Extend it. Well, I'm scared of a break.
They're just trying to figure out a way to get her down it. She's having difficulties. armpits.
Alright.
To her and push her.
This is gonna be bowling people.
Here, give me your hand.
Oh, this is funny. The one you'll fall. They say it's slick. We give up.
Attaboy. Paul belly right in the center. Oh.
We got somebody new gonna do it. This is Mackenzie Higgins Adams.
I was gonna go down, but then I just decided not to.
It's harder than you think.
Give it a 10. Give it a 10. Put it up there. Put it up there and jump on it. You get all on my man.
Did you miss?
I miss.
They all said they're gonna have body acne next week of all the oil on their bodies. Here it goes.
And it's slippery.
Oh my goodness. Oh my stomach's gonna hang in its nose. Okay.
Now I know where Mama gets her out. You're still not running the race. No, you gotta run it.
A true redneck slip and slide. We got a tarp, baby oil, water, and Crisco oil, the liquid. If you like my videos, follow me and hit that subscribe button, notification bell for my newest video.